Hi everyone, Jen here from Jenny and Teddy. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to crochet the blanket stitch. This stitch is very easy. Mostly use the single crochet and double crochet. You can see how the texture is come out. It's so beautiful. I use this blanket stitch on my poncho wrap. So let's get started. So the blanket stitch, we will start with a multiple of 3. In this example, I will start with the 21 chain. You start with the slip knot first. And chain 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will go off the camera and meet you at 21 chain. So I finished 21 chain already. We will start to make our first blanket stitch by make 2 double crochet in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. In this third chain, we make 2 double crochet. One double and 2 double, and then we will skip 2 chain, 1, 2, and make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet all in the same chain. 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet all in the same chain. And then we skip 2 chain, 1, 2, and in the next chain we make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet all in the same chain again. 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet all in the same chain. So we continue repeating, skip 2 chain, and in the next chain make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet all in the same chain. Skip 2 and make 1 single and 2 double until the end. I will meet you at the end of row 1 here. Now I am at the end of row 1 here. We have 3 chain left. We do the same by skip 2 chain, 1, 2, and in the last chain we make a single crochet. Single crochet, and then chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work, and we start on row 2 of blanket stitch. On row 2, This one is single crochet. We will make the 2 double crochet in here. 2 double crochet, 1 double and 2 double. And then we skip 2 stitch, 1, 2, and on the 3rd stitch here we make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet all in the same stitch. And 2 double crochet, and then we skip 2 stitch, 1, 2, and then make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet on here on the next one. 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet all in the same stitch. Basically we just find where the single crochet from the previous row here, and we make the single crochet and 2 double crochet all in the same stitch. If you don't want to count the stitch, 1, 2. If you don't want to count, you just see the 1 single crochet stitch here. You just make 1 single and 2 double. And we keep finding 1 single crochet and we make 1 single and 2 double here, and 1 single and 2 double. And then find a single crochet here, make 1 single and 2 double. On the last one here, we make the chain, we see the chain 2 from the previous row. We make 1 single crochet and then chain 2, 1, 2, and we will repeat row 2 of the blanket stitch until we got the piece, the length that we want to be. I hope you guys enjoy the blanket stitch tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.